Hey folks, how you doing? It's Richard here from Bikepacking Adventures, and it's Saturday morning here in the Lincolnshire Wolds. Just come, well, what's that way? South Thorsby, got Muckton down there. This leads us to Dark Lane, I believe, going towards Burwell, up the climb alongside Maidenwell. It's 100 miles today, or just over 100 miles. Starting and finishing in Woodall Spa, and then tomorrow I've got my group gravel ride, stroke mountain bike to channel group ride tomorrow, and that will be started in Market Raisin. So that's in the next video. So keep an eye out for that. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss it. First time bringing out the camera today. I've just done 40k. Number of things I forgot on the way here this morning. I left home. I had to turn back because I'd left the water bottles in the fridge the night before, and I've left a snood and some gloves and the clothes horse as well. So, but luckily I had my car gloves with me. Car gloves, you know, the ones you leave in the car. So like woolen ones. They do the trick though. Also tonight, might film it, might not. I'm not even sure where I'm stopping yet. I've been talking myself out of it, but I think I'm sleeping alongside the River Witham at my usual spot near Woodall Spa. And when I say sleeping, I mean Bivvy bag sleeping. Supposed to be getting close to freezing point, so if it does get too cold, I have to bail. My car will be like a mile down the Lincoln Water Railway, but hopefully it won't come to that. Okay, let's go to the effort talking about the route. So yes, started in the southwest corner of the route at Woodall Spa, anti-clockwise around the Lincolnshire Wolds. Very wiggly, windy, because I'm trying to get as much climbing as I possibly can in, a bit of training. So I think it's about 1700 metres, near enough. I'm trying to remember what's after Ludford in terms of stopping places. I don't think there really is anywhere. It's Horncastle on the way back. That's quite close to the end. I may pop into just one more bike, which you guessed it is a bike shop. I've seen just seen some, well, you know, the dreaded road closed sign. Sorry, a bit of an anticlimax. Got through perfectly fine. The road wasn't closed fully. Just went down the side. Well, another year or two's gone by. Stopped. Called a Wylesdale Hill. Quick nature break. Absolutely stunning. What a stunning day. Just had to stop because, look, the sign is back. Someone nicked the damn thing. That's it, I've arrived. Viking Way Cafe. Different name last time I came here. That was a number of years ago. Anyway, let's get a cup of coffee, have something to eat. Gone straight for the lunch menu. Don't know how I'm going to eat this with a bit of dentures, but I'm going to give it a good go. I'm back on the road again. Just left Viking Way and heading towards Six Hills. This sign, probably can't see it behind me, past my shoulder, but no sign saying road closed this way. Hopefully we're just like the last one, we can just keep on riding. If not, I've got quite wide verges here. I can always squeeze past on the grass, probably, no doubt. That's the case. Yeah, so just had a nice meal over there. Managed to reach it okay. If you've ever had some dental work like a denture, you know how difficult it can be to get used to eating again. So a couple of sausages, fried eggs, beans and chips, and that's the tricky one, the chips. Obviously quite hard. But, took my time, managed okay. actually doing this one as an Audax DIY. For those who don't know, they actually started doing 150 kilometre distances now, which you'll get points for, 1.5 funnily enough. Oh, there you go, there's the road closure sign, so I guess that was it. Not exactly closed. Anyway, you can't see, but beyond the hedges there's some really good views. We're literally coming to the edge of the Wolds. Not that it ends there for me, because I'm going back round again. Got 2 more sections of uphill with 74 kilometres back to the next control point, which is just 1 more bike, which is funnily enough a bike shop in Horncastle, mentioned it earlier, and then maybe 8k after that to back to the van. So pretty much halfway right now. It's coming up to 1:45. Not bothered when I finish in the dark, because I've got my light with me. Whew. Apologies for not showing you much this ride. It's been very vloggy style. I've had plenty to talk about. But I haven't picked up the camera for a few hours now. It's been cracking on, getting on with it. It's cold. Keep moving. Well, I have to turn the camera around. I have no idea whether you can notice or not. Shadows are getting quite long now. I don't even know what time it is, but it's probably getting close to the golden hour, I would imagine. It's been a stunning day. I tell you what, the weather's been fantastic. Strangely though, I've not really seen many people riding bikes. Not for hours. What days in the UK where the majority of people will go ride bikes? It's like in the morning or something. Why is that? I know people are loved up and stuff like that, but you've got the whole day. Okay, even if you don't ride the whole day, why not go out in the evening? Just don't see many evening riders, or even afternoon riders. It's always morning, isn't it? I know when I used to have a partner, I used to prioritise the relationship above everything else, but I think you just need to look after yourself a little bit more often. I'm not saying going out every weekend for hours. I love being single. I really do. At the same time, I keep looking, but finding the right person who just likes to ride the bike, bikepacking, that would be awesome. Right, anyway, let's change the subject as I roll past, close to Steady Got over there. In the distance, we've got the Belmont transmitter. What a day for riding a bike. Rolling all the way down to Horncastle now, 3 miles of bliss. I decided I'm not going to stop at the bike shop, I'm not going to stop at home, I'm just going to keep on going. Trying to get cold and warm up again. This is definitely in the golden hour now. Love this part of the ride where you can just all the hard work's done, you're just going to roll down. I'm not even bothered about going fast down here, and just stop pedaling for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, enjoy it. It's been well earned today. Tell you what, I couldn't have planned this better. last, well, 8k at the moment, of course, plus all that other side of Horncastle, that downhill, and it's just downhill all the way now with a tailwind as well. Yeah, tailwind all the way downhill. The downside of that is my fingers are starting to get cold now. Right, you may well next see me in the dark setting up. In the meantime, so just enjoy that sunset together. Look at that for a full moon. Beautiful. I was hoping I'd be able to get a bit more of a picture of where I'm camping, but there you go, there's the bench on the Lincoln Waterway. All good so far. As you can see, I've not pitched up yet. It is about 8:30, so hopefully I'm going to get a good night's sleep. We're in plenty of layers. My you can probably see those insulated thermal trousers I've got with me. I'm just going to point the camera that way. I bought like a fleece waist band, which I'm trying out for the first time, because I usually have quite a few issues with low back problems, so I'm wearing that. Got a base layer over the top. I've then got my gilet, my winter gilet. I've got this blue winter jacket you usually see me wearing quite often, and then I've got this green Outkit fleecy jacket as well over the top of that, which is fine, except I forgot the zips broken on it, so that'll keep coming off. Bivvy bag from Outkit. This is a brand, and Matt bought a brand new one because they've almost started to go down after a few hours. I'm going to keep that for the van. So it's a Trekology UL80, and underneath that, at the moment I've only got folded once, but I usually unfold it, but that's like the ground sheet from the tent. I've got a Rango sleeping bag to sort out there as well. I think it's a season 2. I've got another jacket in there as well, one of the Albion insulated jackets if I can get it on, and there's a fleece liner in there as well. Drink wise, I'm all sorted. Got these picked up from Sainsbury's in Woodall Spa. Beavertown Neck Oil, it's an IPA, so I'm sorted there. And I got a little bit of food and some couch to show you as well. I was watching a video with Josh from Keep Smiling Adventures, so I messaged him via YouTube. I said, "What is that?" So I'll pop some details on screen if you fancy one of these. Basically, it's got like, I think it's 20,000 games from like PS1 kind of upwards, and a few older machines as well, like Game Boys and things like that. So I'm going to play a few games. So yeah, look forward to that. Right, I'm going to chill for the evening because you can't see much. So I shall see you in the next video, which will be, if you don't miss it, the mountain bike stroke gravel. I'm calling it mountain bike now because I'm on my mountain bike, you see, over there. It's my mountain bike stroke gravel group channel ride. So if you do show up for that, thank you for coming. And if you want to attend a future channel ride, there will be one later on in the year. So keep an eye out on the channel. Right, if you enjoyed this, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed already, hit that button. Right, I'm hopefully going to get a good night's sleep. See you again soon. Bye bye.